Guys, I will teach you guys how to grenade lineup here in Coastal, guys. So first, you will run here, and you will go here and throw the grenade. And then back.
Nasa Loki.
Oy! Grabe ka! Ala! What the hell?
Highlights na naman talaga.
Grabe naman yung mga highlights natin. Ayan. The lineup, that's how you line up, guys. That's how you line up.
Ano ba yan eh? Ito pala kasama ito. Dito lang po ito.
Oh! 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 Sheesh! Mga hindi natututok! Mga hindi natututok! That's how you grenade lineup, guys! Mga hindi natututong kalaban!